Only turn the whirlpool on when the tub is filled above jet level. Turn the jets on with the single press of the whirlpool button as shown. The individual point massage jets can be opened and closed by rotating the nozzle as shown. Use the air volume control to adjust the strength of the point massage jets. If your tub has an optional cleaning system, the detergent dispenser doubles as the air volume control. The jets will turn off automatically in 20 minutes. A single press of the whirlpool button will turn the jets off immediately. Before turning the microjet Tsubo system on, turn the cluster control knobs counterclockwise as shown. Also make sure that the microjets are below water level. Turn the microjets on with the single press of the button as shown. Slowly rotate the cluster control knob clockwise to increase the flow to the microjets as desired. Press the microjet button to turn the system off. Pressing the microjet button for 3 seconds will activate the Tsubo sequential pulse mode. The jets will pulsate and advance to the next mode every 10 seconds. Press the microjet button to turn the system off. To choose a single Tsubo mode, first turn on the microjets. To activate the Tsubo system and advance through the 7 different pulsation modes, press the up or down arrow. Each press of the arrow advances to the next Tsubo mode. Press the other arrow to return to the previous mode. Once the desired mode is chosen, the Tsubo system will run for 15 minutes and turn off automatically. 2 15-minute cycles are possible before the Tsubo lockout mode is activated for 2 hours of cooldown time. When the lockout function is active, the microjets can still be operated at high speed, but the lockout countdown is suspended while the pump is running. Press the microjet button at any time to turn the system off. The Whirlpool and Tsubo systems can be on at the same time. The point massage jets automatically turn off in 20 minutes, the microjets turn off in 15. To turn either system off immediately, press the corresponding button.